Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to give you a follow along, easy or simple rolling flow you can do. Sometimes it just feels good to get on the floor and roll around, and then it just feels good to play and see where your body can move from one roll to the next. So I'm just going to give you an idea of what that might look like. If you do want to try this with me, I'll try to keep this relatively small or easy rolls. But if you can't do this, don't be frustrated. The point is get on the floor and explore where you can roll from one position to the next. And I'm just going to try to stick with rolling. But this is a great way to start your day or your morning. So we're just going to start here with windshield wipers. Nice and easy, trying to keep the shoulder blades relaxed and on the floor. And we're still breathing while we do this. And so now with the windshield wipers, I'm going to start adding head motion. So I'm going to take my eyes to the right, legs to the right, eyes and head to the left, legs to the left. So everything's the same. It's still the windshield wiper, but now I'm rolling my head and my eyes. And now I'm going to take that windshield wiper as I roll. I'm going to scissor my legs to reach with that top leg to pull me over to my side. And then I'm going to take my arm and come on back. So I'm making this big swoop to pull that leg back over. And as it comes over, I'm going to keep that rotation and do the same thing on the other side so that it pulls me over here. Now we're doing this fun swooping gesture because it just feels good. And it easily helps pull the body back over from that windshield wiper. So we're here, nice big swoop with the arm, it pulls us over. We're here, nice big swoop with the arm. And we can just work this from side to side. So this is just a simple simple rolling flow that is a reset that you can do. And you can move in and out of the big one back to the small windshield wiper. You can put the head back into it. You can move into that flow. Now if you've got that, and that's pretty easy, I'm going to show you a little bit of another variation you can do. So we can take the windshield wiper, and when we do that scissor wiper where we flow over, we can continue that by continuing to move this leg, place our weight on this arm, and take this arm and come back. So again, we just continued into a full roll from that. So we're here, we come over, we put more of the weight on this arm, we take this arm over and come here. So at speed, it looks like this. Anyway, that is a simple windshield wiper reset flow, that rolling flow that you can do. I hope you give it a shot. It does feel good, and that's just the beginning. Like, you can do so many different rolling flows. That one was from the back. You can do flows from the belly as well. I'll do another video of that sometime later. I don't want to give you too much, but just try flowing from your back from the windshield wiper and see where you end up. Explore. Feels good. All right, guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength workshop. Visit originalstrength.net. To train with Tim, go to osi-online.com.